Hello guys, today I will show you how to set up WAN 1 on your PC and your smartphone. So first step is go down here, type cmd, now type ipconfig, and you need this default gateway. So you can copy that, go into your browser and then log into your router settings. So you will probably now have a different look on your router settings, but basically what you need to do is go to now network application, then DDNS configuration. Now I already have a setup, but I will make a new one. So you should enable DDNS, and now you need to choose provider. I will choose no IP because it's free. Open new tab and register on no IP. Now you need to fill in all those fields. Here you choose just ddns.net. Now when you enter your email, password, hostname, just click on free sign up, and when you finish your registration you go to login page. Now I will log in with my credentials. Go to dynamic DNS and you need to create a host name. I already have it, so just click on this create host name, type whatever you want here and go to create host name. So you have typed something else apparently. And you have it here. Okay, I will use this one because I already set up. So you need to write down this name. Now you don't need anymore this website. And in domain name you are putting this host name you created right now. You leave this by default, and username and password, you are using your username actually email from this no IP website. So you are using email and password you are using to log in to this website. And when you fill that all that fields, just click to apply. And now we need to set up a port forwarding. So I will go to forward rules, DMZ configuration. Now I already have it, but you should just create a new. So click on enable DMZ, and here you should type your, I will show you now, just go again to cmd, type ipconfig, and you should put here your local IP address, so IPv4 address. Just put it here and go apply. So I already created this, so I don't need this one. Then go to port mapping configuration, and here you see I already created mine. So mapping name, you can choose whatever you want. Here you are putting your local IP address. Here, here and here just put your local IP address. Choose protocol UDP, and for all ports choose 9 for all ports. Go to apply, and then you are going to port trigger configuration. On port trigger configuration I already have configured, so what you basically do, just choose on trigger and open protocol UDP. So don't choose TCP, choose UDP, and for all ports choose 9. For application we'll use application using that port. So basically that's it for your setup on your PC. Now we will download application on phone called Wacom LAN. I will show you now. So guys, now go to Play Store. Now in Play Store type Wacom LAN. Now I think this is the one I have. Yeah. So install this application. When you install, open it. And now I already have set it up. So what you will do, go to this plus sign and choose this cloud. Now for device name you can type whatever you want, home PC for example. MAC address, you will need to find this on your PC. Go into CMD and type ipconfig like this. Just a moment. Okay, I will show you here. So type this in your command prompt and you will find the MAC address there. And for router IP hostname you are putting this one. So what you created on NoIP website, on port you're choosing 9, status check IP hostname same as router IP hostname, and that's it. You can save it. Now I don't have a MAC address wrote down here, so I'll just go back and you will have it something like this. My MAC address is written here, but you can't see below the name, but you can't see it. I blurred it, and that's it. Now I will show you how it works. So here is the example of how it's working. Now I will put my PC in hibernation state. You can put it on sleep too. Now just wait for PC to go to hibernation phase. Okay. Now on my mobile phone I'll turn mobile data, so you can see I'm not on my home Wi-Fi. I turned on mobile data. Go to application while on and just press what you created here, and you can see PC is booting now. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe.